An audience is a way for you to save the interest you want to target in your campaign, and is also a way of telling audiencer who is your target customer, or in other words, what is your niche. So for example, if I create a new audience, and let's say for this example my ideal customer is dog owners, I'm going to label it dog owners and also type dog owners in the niche field, and you see it popped up in here. And as soon as I click save and continue, it's going to take me to this page. And even though I haven't added any interest to my audience just yet, if I click on this tab that says more from your niche, you'll see I'm going to find a lot of interests without doing any search at all. And just look at the scroll bar, how tiny it is. So you can tell in here there are more than 200 or 300 interests in the dogs niche alone. So even though I haven't added any interests, I can already find a lot of interests without doing any search. So let's say you find an interest that you think it's worth targeting. What I recommend you doing is click on the plus sign and add it to your audience. So in this case it says interest added to your audience, and you're going to find it in the saved interest tab. And let's add a few more, or if you will, you can search like for example pedigree, and also add it to your audience, and keep looking in audience's recommendations like this one, or dog walking. And what you can do after you saved the interest you'd like to target, you can find them in here. So if you want to resume your work a bit later, or if you want to continue research a week from now, you'll be able to do it without losing your work. So you can use it also as a notepad. And also if you want suggestions from all of your interests, what you can do is select them all and click on the suggestions icon, and you see you'll get even more suggestions right from Facebook. So under this tab here, you'll get suggestions from Facebook, and this tab will provide you suggestions from Audiencer. So another thing I would like to tell you, when you find interests that you think they're worth targeting for you in your niche, keep adding them to your audience, because this way you'll help Audiencer learn based on those tags, based on your niche and your target customer. So basically it will be able to suggest you more and more interest to target if you do it. So whenever you find an interest, keep add it to your saved interests, and later on you'll be able to find it under my saved audiences, and just by clicking on that audience, bam, that's all. Thanks.